Hi guys, welcome to Online Hustles. So I keep sharing my freelance writing journey on this channel so that I can encourage someone and also just show you that you can actually earn a living from working online. So now when I started writing, of course I had been fired. If you haven't watched that video, I hope I will remember to put it up there so that you can go and watch it. So I had just been fired, and I actually read a comment on a Facebook page that someone could actually earn money writing content, writing articles. So I contacted someone, sent them 1,000 Kenya shillings, that is $10. They sent me notes and then they disappeared. But anyway, I read the notes, I continued reading on my own, and that is how I started my online writing career journey. So now, at first, of course, I was doing it as just something to hold on to as I wait for the big job. Oh my goodness. So I was doing it just so that it can sustain me a little bit, just to get a little money for paying rent as I waited for that big job, which I'm still waiting for until now. I might wait for another 20 years, but no, I'm kidding. I'm no longer waiting for it. I am now satisfied with where I am. So that is how it was. So I was writing. When I started out, I was earning $150. That is 15,000 Kenya shillings, which was exactly my rent at that time. So it was just enough. Not enough, but at least just to make me feel a little bit comfortable. And then something happened. That was I lost my job in 2014. I started the whole of 2015. I think I wasted it in trying out other businesses. I started writing towards the end of 2015. And in 2016, I was still, maybe I had gone a little bit higher to 20,000, but I was still just getting that. And I did have a problem, by the way, because I didn't even know that this is something that you could do full time, that this is something that you could actually just live your life off. I didn't know that. So maybe at that time God protected me, because now if I knew that you could make the kind of money that I have made so far, maybe I would have been greedy and not be willing to learn, or I wouldn't have taken my time to know the skill and also explore. Yeah, let me just say that. So in 2017, a friend of mine introduced me to a client who changed my entire life and my entire thinking and my entire beliefs about online work. So that is the title of the video, The Client Who Changed My Life. Yeah, so thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. If that is your kind of content, please give me that subscription, okay? Don't just watch my content and move away, please. It doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe, but it will help me, it will help my videos to reach so many people. It will also help me grow. So please subscribe by clicking the red button down below. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now this friend introduced me to a client who had a lot of work. I worked for this client, I think, for over a year. Yes. And this was the first time actually for me to receive real money writing, because now the others that I was writing for, they were basically exploitative. Let me just say that. And that is what happens when you're starting out, by the way. Don't just give up, guys. You might start by earning peanuts. I started by earning $1.5 for 500 words. That is 150 Kenya shillings. That is so little. By the time I would amass 1,000 Kenya shillings. It was hard work. But anyway, this was the first time that someone paid me real money for writing, and it felt so good. So I want to share that client with you. So you see this client, guys, this one, Apprentice Writer 2017 product review site. Yeah. So I started as a junior writer. This one I earned $505. That is where I started. Then I continued growing with this client to here. You see, this is the same client, junior writer. Here I earned $42.33 the entire time, June to September. And then let me check. Let me see. And then here, you see this one, Judith, staff writer, 2017 product review site. So I said, as I said, I started as a junior writer. By the time I was leaving, I was already a staff writer. And you can see the amount of money that I made with this client alone the entire time. I don't know if there is anywhere else that I can show you. Yeah, but basically that is the first client that I can say changed my entire life. There is this other one, this one. You see this one? Blogs and research heavy articles needed for high profile health food blogger. Yeah, this one also made me view content writing or online work very differently. This one actually paid me very well, $300 for per article. Yeah, she was paying me $300 per article. I had never received such kind of money in my entire life. Yeah, so those are the two clients that I can say changed my entire life and my entire thinking of online work. Of course, I've had success, especially on Upwork. I've had success. You can see like this one also paid me well with other clients. But now I can say that these two, they made an impact. So guys, that is basically how I made a decision to be a full-time freelance writer. After those two clients, I changed my mind completely. I even stopped looking for jobs. I stopped applying for those jobs because I knew that this is something that I wanted to do for a very long time. And I am glad I did, because honestly speaking, the amount of money I have made freelance writing, I don't think where I was working particularly, I would have earned such kind of money. So guys, I hope you have been motivated by this story. I just keep sharing this so that you can know that you can actually make a living working online. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.